Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we will be designing with the newest Softlex company design kit, All That Glitters. And this was a really fun kit. It was based on some mixed metals, so you have some gold and some silver. A lot of fun and unique pieces went into this kit. There was even some Polaraki beads. Those are always super fun when they're in design kits or on the Softlex company live sales. So I will leave a link down below in the description for the unboxing of that fabulous design kit, as well as the tutorial playlist featuring all of the designs. So these are super cute and easy earrings. The only thing I'm adding in that wasn't included in the kit are these little beads here. They're just like little gold spacer beads. You can use daisy spacers or a 4 or 3 millimeter bead of your choice. And that's just going to give some spacing to these little beads. And these have like a moonlight finish, so they have a little bit of a shimmer on them, and they are top drilled. So here is our cute little earring design that we are creating. And then the little crystals can move freely on the Softlex wire. And your Softlex wire shows in your design. We are using the quartz, and that came in the kit. We're using this beautiful star bead. That also came in the kit from the Bedoria bead mix. And if this kit or any of the bead mixes, sometimes there's some extras, are still available, I will leave a link down below in the description. You'll need one 2x2 per earring and earring finding. Also adding in a 6 millimeter jump ring. And since this kit is kind of mixed metals, you can use silver and gold together. The gold spacer beads, and then we're using the little top drilled circles. And I did buy a kit and an extra bead mix just because I fell in love with just the beads in the kit. So that's why I do have a lot of circles, and then I am saving some for a future project. So stay tuned for that. Let's start creating. And before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow and helps me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Let's start creating. To start, we're just going to add our beads onto a head pin. We're going to make a wrapped loop. I will be using my one-step looper in the 1.5 millimeter. This is the smallest size. We're just going to slide it into our tool and just give it a gentle squeeze. And we have our loop. We want to make sure that our loop is completely closed. So we're just going to take our round nose pliers, just kind of roll that loop back into that top bead. We're just going to set that off to the side with our 6 millimeter jump ring. Now with our soft flex wire, we're just going to alternate. So with our soft flex wire, we're just going to alternate between the gold beads and the top drill beads. Comment down below what you thought of this kit. So we have all of our beads. Don't worry if they're laying different ways, it's okay. We're going to add our 2x2 to one side of our soft flex wire. With the opposite side of wire, we're just going to crisscross back through. And this is going to create like a little X and create our circle. We're going to bring in our other earring so we can compare the size. We won't want to have mismatched earrings. Another design option is if you wanted to put another 2x2 on each side of the beads, that would keep them stationary, just completely up to you. Sometimes it's fun to have earrings or a pendant with some movement. To make sure that they're nice and even. And we're going to take one piece of soft flex wire and pass it back through again our 2x2. So for the soft flex 2x2s, you can fit 3 of the medium soft flex wires through it. This is what's going to create our loop on top as well as attach our little charm in a moment. So you can see that it's kind of getting smaller, so we just have to make our adjustments. We'll compare to the other earring. So once you have all of your adjustments made, we're just going to bring in our pliers and just smash our 2x2. So we're just going to take our plier and we're just going to flatten the 2x2. Now you could round it if you wanted to. That just gives it a more professional finish, but you don't have to. That's just kind of an optional step. Take our pliers and just trim any extra soft flex wire, making sure not to trim the soft flex wire that we need for our project. And then make sure you always save your soft flex wire. You can always use it for a future project. So we have our cute little hoop earring. Now we're just going to bring in our 6 millimeter jump ring, our heart charm. You can just see these earrings are full of sparkle. And of course, our ear wire. And these make wonderful gifts, or if you're selling at a craft fair or a vendor fair, or maybe have an online shop, you can make these in all different colors. They're great to use leftover beads, and they're really a statement earring, but they're super lightweight. So we're going to take our 6 millimeter jump ring. We're just going to gently twist side to side. We're going to slide it over that 2x2, and then we're just going to close it back up. You should hear a little click, and you'll know it's completed and secure. Then our little crystals will move freely on the bottom. We're just going to take our open ear wire and attach it to our little loop that we just made. And then we're just going to close up the ear wire. We have beautiful sparkling earrings using the newest Softlex Company design kit, All That Glitters. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as all other tutorials. Have an awesome day.